Now let us solve this polynomial question that if 2x raised to the power of 2 minus x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial f of x, equals 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 6. Find the other factor. Now it implies that this other factor multiplied by this quadratic expression will give us this polynomial function. So since this other factor will then multiply by this, it implies that for us to get the other factor, it implies that we have to divide this function by the quadratic expression. So how do we go about that? Now you write 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 6. Then this quadratic expression will be here. That will be 2x raised to the power of 2 minus x minus 3. Now you ask yourself a question. What will you multiply by 2x raised to the power of 2 to give you this term 2x raised to the power of 3, and that will give us, that will be x. So when we have x, so x times multiply by all this expression here. So here you have 2 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 3 minus x raised to the power of 2, then minus 3x. Now in this case, now we tend to subtract. Now we can see they have the same term. Since the subtraction, this one becomes 0. Now take note of this. Here you have what? Negative 5x squared minus, since it is minus, then minus x squared. So this will now give us negative 5x squared plus x squared, which will give us what? Negative 4x squared. So in this case here you have now negative 4x squared. Now in the same vein also, here you have negative x, take away negative 3x. Now negative x minus times minus will give us plus, so we end up having here 2x. So here you have plus 2x. So you bring down your what? 6. So now what is that term that you multiply by 2x squared now to give you negative 4x squared? So and that should give us negative 2, right? So to that end, 2 times all this expression here, we have negative 4x squared. Then here you have plus 2x, now plus 6. Now if you look at the term, these two terms, why subtract it, implies that 0, 0, and 0. So it implies that x minus 2 when multiplied by this quadratic expression will give us this polynomial expression. So here we have x minus 2, D as the final answer. Thank you and God bless you.